So what are the biggest challenges facing the Sutton people today?
There are two. First is economic challenges, and the second one is climate change.
How does that affect them?
As it gets warmer,
Yes.
then it means more bugs and more mosquitoes would come into their summer grazing grounds. Reindeer itself is a very sensitive animal. Flies actually go into their nose and then lay eggs there. Those eggs, when they develop, it creates this very, very nasty thing in their brain. Colder it gets, better it gets with the reindeer.
These people's culture is entirely based on the reindeer, isn't it?
Yes, and then in fact, ta means reindeer, and tato means the reindeer herder.
What a sight! Just the beauty of these reindeer, and then to see these Sutton riders so graceful as they move across this really wild landscape. Wow, look at this guy. He's crossing right now. Water splashing. What a backdrop. That is so cool. This is a glimpse into a culture that's existed for centuries, but very little seen by the outside world. I'm always deeply touched by the warm hospitality extended to me by people with so little. Before the long journey home, I've been invited to share a last cup of tea and reindeer milk. I like this flavor. Can I show them some of the pictures that I've taken on my laptop? Okay. This is always one of my favorite parts of a trip, is to be able to share my photos with the people. Right? The Mongolian people and the reindeer have managed to coexist in the harshest of conditions for thousands of years. They symbolize both the fragility and the tenacity of a culture on the edge of survival. I'm Art Wolf. Join me next time on Travels to the Edge.
This program and other